Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off vibration on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to turn off or disable vibration on your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling to get to sounds and haptics and then click on that. Then once you selected sounds and haptics, come down to where you see haptics. Click on that. Then on the haptics page, locate and click on never play and then shows that. Should say haptic will not play when iPhone rings or receive an alert and then you are good. However, if you want to stop or turn off vibration completely on your iPhone, all you need to do is scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Then on the accessibility page, you want to go ahead and click on touch. Under touch, scroll down, then should say vibration. If vibration is enabled, then go ahead and turn this off. And that is going to turn off vibration completely on your iPhone, including app vibration, keyboard vibration, and your iPhone vibration. So that's exactly how to turn off vibration on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.